So these are the 8 benefits of the Aratilis manzanitas or person fruit in English. Aratilis was believed to have discovered a potential antibiotic components. So this is according to the study of Maria Isabel Layson. According to her study, that the Aratilis have the list of components that may be a big help in curing diabetes, which is number 1, flavonoid, number 2, polyphenol, number 3, anthocyanin. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo guys, explain natin isa-isa ang mga benefits na makukuha natin dito sa Aratilis. So ito na ang number 1. So kayo na ang bumasa sa meaning nito guys, explain ko na direkta. So meaning dito sa number 1, it has component that can fight bacteria and substance that helps reduce the swelling and inflammation. So what is inflammation? Yung pamamaga po or varicose, edema for pregnant. Better siya pero need pa rin ng exercise na sa paa ng isang buntis, lalo na sa mga buntis guys. So makakatulong din itong Aratilis. Libre lang naman itong Aratilis, makikita lang kung saan-saan guys. Okay, move on tayo sa number 2, which is relief from gout. So ang gout is most common in men. So sa mga lalaki lang po ito na masakit daw sa parte ng kanilang mga buto. So kumain ka daw ng 9 to 12 pieces of Aratilis fruit in a day. Makakatulong ito para mabawasan ang sakit na dulot ng gout. Next naman po ay lessen uric acid. So ang deep red or purple colored skin na Aratilis contains antioxidant known as anthocyanin, better to avoid uric acid levels from rising. Next is brain function. So flavonoids, which helps develop and proper function of the brain. It is also helpful for people suffering cognitive impairment, yung makakalimutin, repeating the same story over and over again, not recognizing familiar people or familiar places. So if gusto nyo naman hindi na maalala si X, huwag na kayong mag-take nito, huwag na kayong kumain ng Aratilis, kalimutan na si X. Next is antioxidant properties. There are 24 different flavonoids and phenolic components found in Aratilis. So iwas malimutin talaga to guys. Antioxidants. Antioxidants, there are substances that may protect your cells against the effect of free radicals. So what is free radicals? So it helps protect us from exposing tobacco smoke and radiation. So makaka-help talaga itong Aratilis sa atin guys para di tayo ma-expose yung body natin at madaling masira. Next, reduces blood pressure. So gumawa ka ng tea, 1 to 2 glass of water, magpakulo ka lang. Isang dakot ng dahon ng Aratilis at 7 minutes itong ipakuluan. Inumin ito thrice a day. Next, number 7, Aratilis as pain blocker. So pabawas ng sakit na nararamdaman. So for those who don't wanna feel the pain from heartbreak, just drink a cup of Aratilis tea. And move on after one. Okay, last, number 8, potential anti-cancer. So confirmed na it can prevent cancer. Dahon, bunga, at balat ng kahoy ng Aratilis ay effective po ito gamit para sa sakit at para din po ito sa cancer. Thank you so much guys for watching. And for more videos, please consider subscribing my channel. God bless everyone and stay healthy.